Hello diamond painters and welcome to my channel. My name is Anjoli and today we are going to be unboxing a diamond painting from Aliexpress. It's called the LoaJieYuan official store. I'm not sure if I'm even saying that correct. If I'm not, I'm sorry. It's called Christmas Gift Snow Scenery. It's a 40 by 50 magic rounds. I'm not sure how many colors we have yet. I ordered it on November 30th. It did not ship out until December 8th. And I received it on December 28th, which is today. Originally $20.68, but they had a Black Friday sale, so I saved $2.66. But then I got a $1.08 tax. Altogether $19.10. And I got this one on the Black Friday sale, so they were probably backed up. That's why I did not ship out until December 8th, which is fine. I'm not even complaining. So here's all the information. Alright, let's get into it. Let's check it out. I did already pre-cut it, but this is how it was shipped to me in like a bubble wrap. But the box did get a little crushed on the end right here. But it is what it is. With the crazy shipping time of the post office and everything, I'm not upset. They do work very hard. So everything is in Chinese, I guess. So I cannot tell you what it says. It just says tips, but I can't read any of that. This one says product steps. No, production steps, but I can't read that, so I'm not fluent. And what is it? Mandarin or Cantonese or whatever it might be. But it does says DIY. I'm not sure what that says. Fashion diamond painting. And this is what it's supposed to look like, but it's really blurry. So we'll get into it, and there's nothing on this end. Let me grab my scissors real quick. And let's open this up. Alright, I don't like when tape sticks to the scissors. That drives me crazy. I'm trying to stay in frame. This video will not be going up until after New Year's. So I want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. Alright, there's nothing in the box. Even though one of the ends of the box was crushed, it looks to be fine. It does have a little bit of a dent crease thing here, but I don't think that's going to affect it. It has a plastic sleeve. I'm not saving the sleeve anyway. I never do. I lay my paintings out as soon as I open them, and I leave them laid out so they can flatten. I don't really have a storage system. You guys see what it looks like. Alright. That is the smallest foam core I've seen in a very long time. Alright. It does have a poor glue smell to it. This is how they're packaged. So we do have a lot of blues. Oops. There we go. A lot of different blues. We have greens, pinks, tans, yellows, red. And I'll be doing inventory on those real quick for us. Oh, sorry. A standard toolkit. This one comes with, it's supposed to be a grippy. I know my last video I called it a squishy. I'm sorry. This happens when you got kids. A 3-placer, and that's it for the toolkit. Very standard toolkit. This one says it has 30 colors. I'll have to mark that down. Alright. It's called Magic Rounds. I think it's supposed to come with rhinestones. We'll check it out. So it is huge, actually. it's not bad in size. Now let me see if I can make the tripod go up a little tall. I don't think I can. Here we go. I'll have to hold it. So the top says Old Street Shop, Magic Cube Round Bird Diamonds, Diamond Painting. So it does have DMC codes right here. It does have the different symbols, which are weird. Let me, sorry for the shaking. I'm going to try to position my camera. Here we are. All right, so that is what it's supposed to look like. You have little shops right here, a flowing creek, some trees with some birds. Same over here, tree with some birds, a little village right there, bunch of snow, the night sky. So you have how many drills? 30. These are the symbols. So a lot of the weird shapes we're kind of used to, like hurricane and things like that. And our DMC codes, I do have some 310s. It said magic rounds. I'm trying to figure out what magic rounds mean. We'll see. So I did start the Star Order Snow Family. I will be working on that. I'll show you guys. I just started it. I did like a really small section, so nothing fancy. But I do see the bird right here. I see, looks like a church right here. The creek. You see some of the houses over here for the village. I think that's supposed to be a bird. But yeah. It looks to be clear. I don't see anything that's going to be really hard to read. It looks like we can make that out. Very light though, the colors. So, hope that's fine with reading. I don't see anything special about this. It said a magic round. I'm expecting to see maybe some A's, B's, or rhinestones. I don't see anything like that. So, let's look at these. I have 30. So, spending as much money I did for this, and it's supposed to be a magic round, I might put in maybe a dispute. I'm not sure yet. Because the magic rounds, they claim are supposed to have the rhinestones. So I am checking this out. I've been doing so many disputes with Aliexpress too. I don't think they like me anymore. But a lot of my stuff was going to places they should haven't gone. So I'm going to do inventory real quick and then we'll check it out. Alright, all the colors are here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So as you can see, we have a lot of purples and definitely blues. Some tans. A lot of blues and purples. Some tans. I'm going to find out what are they talking about with magic rounds, because they made it seem like I'll have some rhinestones, almost like the Star Ore. When she had some rhinestones mixed in with the Snowman family. So I'm going to find out what that is, if I ordered it right, if I made a mistake. If I didn't make a mistake, no matter what, at the end of this video, I will put a clip in and what the sellers tells me if I did something wrong. But other than that, all the bags have the DMC codes on them. Really, really small lettering. It says, where am I? 113 round. At the bottom right-hand corner of this canvas, it says 113. So I'm thinking that's the canvas number. But I'm gonna find out if I got the right thing or not, if they sent me the wrong thing, because I can't see spending $19 on this and is nothing, I don't know. I don't know what to say. To me, it's, I guess I was expecting something else, because 20 bucks to me for this is, I don't know, not a bargain. It's pour glues, clear cover, so I don't have to worry about creases really. But I was expecting rhinestones for this price, at least rhinestones. So either I got fooled or I just didn't order the right thing. I'm not sure. But all right, we'll make sure it was focused. Let's measure it. It's 40 by 50, so this is basically 50. Where am I here? Yeah, 50. Little teeny bit over 50 if I'm stretching it out. And so this is supposed to be 40. Right to the line. Yeah, so it is true to size at least. 50 by 40. So yeah, I don't know what to say. I didn't expect for $19 just to get a regular round diamond painting. A 50 by 40 I can easily get for $10-12 from, you know, like Evershine or someone like that. A 50 by 40 is to me is on a smaller size for me. But I don't know, maybe I could be wrong. I'm not sure. Because the Star Wars one was $22 or $23 on Amazon. And no, this is double-sided. I don't think this is pour glue. It looks like double-sided. I could be wrong. I don't know. It looks like it could be double-sided. But it smells like, I don't know. It smells like pour glue, but I could be wrong. I can't tell. But it's a clear cover, so. But yeah, I'm going to get a hold of them, find out, did I order something wrong? I thought Magic Rounds claimed it was supposed to come with the rhinestones. So, I'll let you guys know. Hopefully everyone had a happy new year, and don't turn the video off because I'll give you an explanation. Alright? See you in the next clip. Alright, I went on Aliexpress, and this is called a magic round. I got the magic round and the pebble round confused. The pebble round is the rhinestones, and it's only $1 more. No, I think it's the same price. So I picked the wrong item. That was my fault. I didn't even contact the seller because the magic round is the regular round drills like I have. The magic rounds, the pebble rounds are the rhinestones. So I'm giving you guys a heads up. If this is something you wanted to order, they have a lot of different sceneries under the same Christmas gift snow scenery thing. They have maybe 8 or 10. So they do have different scenes. But if you want to get it with the rhinestones, go for the pebble rounds. So that was my fault. Magic rounds, for some reason, I thought magic, the key word there. The magic would be sparkly. So that was my fault. I misread it. So the pebble rounds are the rhinestones. The magic rounds are the regular round drills. And they also do these in squares, regular squares. So they have a lot of different options for the same sceneries. You can get this one in a square. You can get it in a regular round like I did by accident. Or you can get it in the rhinestone, which is the pebble round. And you can get 30 by 40, 40 by 50 like I have. And I think there's one more size, but I think it's a size down. But of course we all know bigger is more detailed. But just giving you guys a heads up that if you want to get this and you really like this, or if you choose another scenery from their store, which is this store off of Aliexpress. So get the pepper rounds if you want it with the rhinestones. But you know what? I'm happy. So it was my fault. It wasn't their fault, which was good because I didn't feel like going back and forth. So I misread. It was not their fault. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone had a happy New Year's. And keep on diamond painting and having fun and just enjoying yourself. Okay, everybody? Thank you for watching again. I'm glad I could clear that up for anybody who ends up, you know, seeing this store and seeing their diamond paintings and just falling in love with it like I did. All right. Have fun. Bye.